Okay, for 14 it says evaluate the expression, and they give us values for R, S, and T. So let's just go one by one. And again, the first step whenever you're substituting in values is just substitute them in. Do not do any calculations. Even if it's simple calculations, just substitute in. So A says, right, R squared plus root S, right? Kind of looked like an 8, but it's an S. Okay, so R is -3, so it's -3 squared plus the square root of S, which is 4. -3 squared, again, that's -3 times -3, that's 9, plus the square root or positive square root of 4 is 2, so A is 11. For B, it's T minus R over S. So again, T is 7, R is -3, so it's minus -3 over S, which is 4. So 7 minus -3 is the same as 7 plus 3, right? So that's 10 over 4. 10/4 is not reduced. Reduced would be 5/2, and I would leave it as an improper fraction, even though the book is probably going to write it as 2.5, a mixed number, but I would leave it as an improper fraction. For C, we have 2s squared plus r minus t. Again, I'm going to substitute, not do anything else. S is 4, so that's 4 squared, plus r, which is -3, minus t, which is 7. So I get 2 times 4 squared is 16, plus negative, that's -3, minus 7. So 2 times 16 is 32, minus 3, minus 7. 32 minus 3 is 29, right? Minus 7. 29 minus 7 is 22, right? 22. For D, let me put it over here, right? Okay, D. I have 3 times S minus T all squared. So I substitute in. S is 4. T is 7. And 4 minus 7 is -3 squared. Now, -3 squared is -3 times -3, which is +9, right? So 3 times 9 is 27.